Alright. Finally, I've got everything cleaned up and organized. They can't have their mirror in the social space anymore. Oh, right, I still need to fill their bathtub. Just a moment. Okay. Bathtub is refilled. That's where the long mirror is going to go. They're probably going to want to play with it when they're bathing. Hey, Ninka. Ninka has moved because he is no longer a keeper bird. Basically, while evaluating the program last night, I only really have a few options. I could either give him a daughter from Cirrus and Titan, which would not be beneficial because Titan is his half-sister. Or I could give him a daughter from Blot and May, which would be an outcross, but May is, while very, very intelligent, extremely reactive. And his reactivity would compound hers. And when those offspring were bred with the offspring of Titan and Circuit, who would then go to share for his wonderful temperament, it would still be an inbreeding because he and Titan are half-sisters. And while inbreeding will be necessary later because pigeons do not have any genetic testing, dogs, cats, horses, pretty much any kind of livestock has genetic testing for heritable disease, for heritable deformities. There's hip tests that dogs can take. There's eye tests that dogs can take. There are none of these things for pigeons. So in order to test how safe a line is, I'm going to have to... Excuse me. I'm going to have to do some test breedings later. Just not with this line. This line is to prove concept. So here are our 6 birds currently looking for homes. Cirrus and his wife Firma are looking for a home. Ninka is looking for a home. Dici is looking for a home. Pants is looking for a home. Sterling technically isn't because he's found his already. He goes home on Monday. So that's 5 birds looking and 1 bird who has found his. When we resume breeding, my breeding pairs and their offspring are each going to get a 42-inch kennel decked out this way. 2 perches, nest box, mirror, dancing brick. Why are you soaking your water dish? Why are you like this? It's the size of a bathtub. He's just going to bathe in it. All right, big man. All right, big man, you can do that. That's fine.